Delivery of the after coming head of the baby. So in another method of the delivery of the after coming head is malar flexion and shoulder traction, which is also known as modified mauriccau smellei veit method, in which in this method we perform in following manner, which is body placed on the left supinated forearm, and and the limbs are hanging on both sides. And now the middle and index finger are kept over the malar bone in either side. And now the another hand is right hand is used, in which the index finger is placed over the left shoulder.
राइट शोल्डर ऑफ बेबी.
हाँ, ये राइट शोल्डर है. ओके, वो ट्रिम हो जाएगा ना. नाउ द index finger of right hand is placed over the right shoulder, and the middle finger is placed over the occiput, and the ring finger and the little finger are placed over the left shoulder. And now we will give the downward and backward traction, and the face will be delivered.